So hi everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to track employee hours and calculate wages automatically using Excel. We have our data here where we have our employee names, the roles they play, the hourly rates, then they pay from the hours from Monday to Sunday. Then so for us to calculate the total hours worked by these employees, we can just key in this formula where we have let me undo, where you use the sum function, then you say sum function like this, key in, then highlight from Monday to Sunday like that, then close the parentheses, then click enter. Then from there you can also highlight, drag and drop. Like for us to calculate the weekly pay for our employees, we just go here, click equal sign, then we can take the total hours worked times the hourly rate, which is this, click on it, then click enter, then you receive our pay, then you can roll it down like that. Then this is our weekly pay for each employee. You can also change these edit these into numbers by just going into currency. So you can click on currency like this, then you change it into dollar sign. It looks like that. So that's how easy you can calculate the hours worked of your employees and also the wages that you want to pay them. So with just a few formulas, you can manage your team more efficiently. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more downloadable Excel files. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.